Go back. Punta na dito.
Lahat, dayang yung anda.
OC.
Yes, okay.
Okay. We'll end shop papunta dun kung sino yellow dun, ha. Okay. Let's push. Okay. Let's push. Mag-dismount yung yellow, please. Brawl muna.
Guys, siguro bro ako, guys.
Okay. Judy on me. Okay. Patayin yung...
Dropping.
Okay, go back. Go back. Denry, go back. Standing, go back. Donut ko. Check on the hero. Check on the hero. 5
Seconds, hold on, guys. Red shit, sakit.
Patch. On the hero.
Hindi.
Delete kayo. Go back.
Delete.
Peace out. Fight. Kite them. Stunning them. Go fight. Just kite. Go back. Gonna donut. Wala tayong PSK.
Nagamit na.
Stun. Okay, just turn. Poke them.
Excuse me.
Ingat lang. Look at the Hero on the back. Okay, go back. Kite. Just kite. Just kite muna. Kapag na-clap kayo, stunning them. 3, 2, 1, stun. Ay. Stun. Everyone stun here. Okay. Dropping Judy. Our Judy.
Judy.
West. Go. Northwest. Bench. Northwest. Stunning them. Go back. Southwest. Nandito yung look at the hero.
Nakatingin sa akin, no? Looking sa akin.
Okay, go back south. Brawl the front. Judy, please, Judy. Stunning them. Okay. My Judy.
Dapat tayo sa brawling to.
Brawl them. Roll the front. Gonna stun. Heal. Rest spots, everyone. Yung puno, patang ina, hindi ko alam kung tawag dyan. Yung puno. Gonna stun. Puno, go, okay. Heal lang. Kite. Go back. Nice job, boys. Go back. Just kite. Gonna stun. Go back. Meron pa ba tayong healer? Wala sila healer. Judy on me. Replenish. Sige. Kill. Please kill. South. Ay, wait. Northwest again.
Susustain ko.
Sige, Northwest. Nice. We won this fight, boys.
Let's go.
Let niyo ako. Look yung isa.
Let me.